going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing another video on one of the longest get paid to sites that I've been a part of. It's called Inbox Dollars. I'm going to show you how to make money on this site. I'm also going to cash out. You see here I have $13.18. Lots of different things you can do in here. The first thing I always do is I check out the surveys. All right, so I go over here, click on surveys, and you see already it says these new surveys every day. So you will get new surveys every day added on here. Sometimes even if you attempt all the surveys or you complete them all, you get new ones every day. It'll show you the estimated amount of time that it's going to take you to do the survey, and then it's going to show you how much you get paid over here. When it has this star by it, that means you have a high chance of qualifying for it. But again, you just want to take surveys that you feel are worth your time. If you're taking a 30-minute survey, you're only getting paid less than $1. Might not be worth my time, but it's completely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, not like that. So just do surveys that you feel are worth your time. You don't want to be spending all day on a survey trying to figure out if hey, will I get paid, or let me just spend an hour on this survey and making $1. I mean, it's just up to you. But I will tell you this: for every survey that you complete, or my bad, every survey that you disqualify for, it will go towards your scratch and win bar. So right here, you'll see this. If I take this survey right here and I disqualify for it, this bar move over a little bit more, and it'll keep moving up for everyone that I disqualify for. And you can actually get paid. Like, it's like a scratch and win thing for each dollar sign that you achieve. I'll show you how that works real quick. So I'll just click on the dollar sign that I'm at. If I get the bar up to this, both these dollar signs will light up. And obviously, if I get here, all three of these dollar signs will light up. But I'm going to just show you how it works. So you click on the dollar sign here, and all you do is click on scratch now. And then you just kind of scratch with the penny, and it'll kind of give you, you got to match three of them. So right here, I probably got 1 cent for doing that. And sometimes you will get, up there with it, but for most of the time you just get, a few cents. So right there, continue, and you see my balance goes up to 13.19 now. So that's just how that works for everyone that you just qualify for. And even if you qualify for, your scratch and win bar will go up. Pretty much, I would say everything you do on here will make that bar go up, doing offers as well. So that's the survey section. Now I'm going to go to the offers. I always like to do the 100% free offers just so I can see, like, okay, where they're going to pay me, and I don't have to put any money towards. So I'm going to show you the survey section, or the offer section. You will see here different things you can do right here. Sign up for this, $3.50, on your Android device. Right here, sign up and earn 48 cents. Sign up for Pillsbury free emails, 48 cents. Earn with PG Wars. I mean, a lot of these things are just sign up and you get paid to do that. Just kind of scrolling down, showing you more. They have some really high paying ones, but just know the really high paying ones is a little bit more involved in that. So you want to make sure that you're fully reading what they're asking you to do in order to get paid. So again, scrolling down, they have lots of these. They have right now 70 of them, but they do fill this up every day with new offers all the time. So there's always different offers you can do on that. When it comes to receipts, you can get paid 2 cents for every receipt that you take a picture of. So, I mean, you can really, pile up with that. I mean, just going crazy with receipts. You can get paid to play games. You can get paid to shop, obviously. The search, I'm gonna show you this search real quick. So this is something that, I've just kind of not recently come upon, but I've started doing it again. So you'll see here, if you just search anything, you can earn cash. I'm gonna show you how it works. You just put in here, make money, right? Just click on search and earn. And it'll give you the results, obviously, because you're searching for make money. But right here, scratch and win 204. So you get 4 of these, your scratch and win bar, it goes up a little bit. You can continue to do that. If you do, I think it's like 15 in one day, that's the max. But you'll get, a few cents added to the scratch and win bar as well. So, I mean, you can make money doing search. Also, another thing I like to do on here is you get paid to read emails. So this envelope right here, I have 14 emails. So I'll just click on it and show you how this works. Now you get 2 cents for every email that you can actually open. You see here, these are a lot of old emails that I have not gotten a chance to open just because, I'm always focused on the surveys and offers, the big money, but I kind of forget about the small, easy ones as well. So all you would do here is that, the email that opens up, you will scroll down to confirm this paid email. You don't have to do anything with it. You don't have to buy anything. Another page will open up, but you can just go back. And if I refresh my balance here, you'll see it'll go up to 13.21. Just like that. So now my balance, my balance went up obviously, but I only have 13 emails now. So every email is worth 2 cents. All you have to do is open it, look at it, confirm it. Just make sure you confirm it, because if you don't confirm it, you won't get the 2 cent. But that's just a really easy way to make money, and it will send you those little emails every day. There will not be one day that goes by that you don't get them. Some days you'll get 10, 15 of them. Some days you might get one or two. It just really depends on what they have available for you. So you'll just see all the different ways you can make money on this. I've been using the site for a long time. I've made plenty of videos on it. So I mean, this site is definitely legit. Now, when it comes to cashing out, it's actually a minimum of $5 in order to cash out. They've continued to lower that over the years. I mean, at one point I was using this site and it was like $30 to cash out. Then it moved down to 15, then 10. Now it's 5. But with $5, I noticed it's really just the American Express gift card that you can use, which is basically like cash. You can use it. Lots of different things you can choose from on here. Now, some of them still do start out at a minimum of $30 to cash out, but you'll see here like eBay, and I know PayPal is a minimum of $10 as well, which I'm going to get here. They got some other gift cards you can choose from. But like I said, I'm going to do PayPal. I'm going to click on this. So basically here I have to enter my password to the site in order to get rewarded. So let me do that real quick. Then I will click on get rewarded. They're just confirming that I want to take out $10. They're going to pay me $10 or whatever. So my email and all this stuff is already on file. Just make sure whatever email that you signed up with, that is the email that you want to get paid with. If there's, if it's a different email, that you reach out to support and they'll change it. It won't be a problem at all, because I've done it before in the past. So I'll just confirm here. And right there, congrats on your redemption. The $10 has been taken out of my account, so now I have $3.21. And for them, it takes me maybe 2 to 3 days for them to pay you. So, I mean, they will pay you. Just kind of be patient with them. Some days, you'll get paid quick. Sometimes you get paid, 2, 3 days later. But the main thing is they pay you, and that's what I always focus on. So there you have it, a tutorial on the site Inbox Dollars. I've made plenty of videos on this site, so if you've been subscribed to my channel, you watch my videos. I'm continuing to use this over time, and I'm just continuing to cash out, continue to make money with it. So if you're not a part of it, definitely get started with it. It is completely free. The link to sign up is in the description. Get started today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.